Meaning of fatherly.
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 Fatherly. Fatherly is an adjective that describes someone who exhibits qualities or characteristics typically associated with a good father figure. These traits may include being protective, supportive, caring, and wise. A person who is described as fatherly often possesses a nurturing and authoritative presence that instills feelings of safety and comfort in others. This term can also be used to describe behaviors rather than individuals. For example, a teacher who takes on a fatherly role for their students may be seen as someone who provides guidance and support in addition to academic instruction.